Hey guys, so in this video I want to cover a very interesting topic, which is the possible return of the Dodge Viper. So some new articles have surfaced yesterday with claims that there will be a new Viper in the works, set for 2021. So before I get into the details, let's have a look back at the Viper. The first generation of the Viper was released in 1992, and then the last one we saw was the 5th gen in 2017, and then Fiat Chrysler cancelled it. So this will be the second time the car was reintroduced. Dodge also ended Viper production back in 2009, releasing the 2010 model, and then the Viper was gone, but came back for the 2013 model year better than ever. This 2021 comeback is only a rumor, but it's definitely a possibility given the past history. Also, Dodge needs that top model to compete with Chevy and Ford. The Charger and Challenger match up nicely with the Camaro and Mustang, but the Demon is not coming back, and Dodge has no answer to the Ford GT or the Chevy C8 Corvette. A new Viper would be the perfect solution. So, according to Car and Driver, a Viper rebirth in 2021 is very likely. They actually say to trust us in their article, but I'd take that with a grain of salt. Either way, let's look at the projected car specs. So the Viper is set to have both front and rear independent suspension, and the body will be made of aluminum and carbon fiber to keep the weight as low as possible. There will be the same front mid-engine that we're used to from the Viper, inside a very long hood. And a convertible will be offered right away, and a coupe might come after a few years. Unfortunately, the V10 engines that were found in the past Vipers will not be making a return. The replacement will be some sort of V8, but no one is sure which one, as it's all just speculation at this point. Chrysler is reportedly making an aluminum block V8 for the new Viper, so it could be that. Anyways, the expected V8 will start at around 550 horsepower, and then after a few years, or maybe sooner, we might see a Viper upgrade with a supercharged engine in the region of 700 or 800 horsepower. There have also been rumors of new engines in the Ram Rebel, a Banshee 7-liter V8, and a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, so the Viper could share engines with that car, or even with the Charger or Challenger Hellcat engines. Hopefully we will see a manual transmission, as almost all the competition is now shifting over to the automatics. And if Fiat Chrysler does use an existing engine for the Viper, like a Hellcat or even a Demon Crate, something like that, then the price of the Viper might start near 90 or 100,000. But if they have to develop a new engine, I'd be thinking the price tag might be more along the lines of 130,000 plus. This Viper could get announced as early as the 2019 Detroit Auto Show, which would be the 30th anniversary of the Viper. It first burst onto the scene in the form of a Roadster in 1989, so this is a perfect fit to announce the arrival of the new Viper to the world. And by 2020 or 2021, the Viper should be on the roads and parked in driveways. So that's all the details that I could find on the new Viper. Again, this Viper would be the competition for the Chevy C8 Corvette and the Ford GT, even though the costs are hundreds of thousands apart. Those two companies have mid-engine supercars, and Dodge has no answer for them. I also have to repeat that this is only a rumor from Car and Driver. They are a reputable source, but have no official backing up for this yet. If we look back, Dodge already released 5 special edition Vipers in 2017 to commemorate the final year of the Viper, and they closed down their production plant for it as well. So this means that the new Viper would need to be outsourced and built by another company, like the Ford GT. On the other side of things, the Viper has already had one rebirth, so why can't it have another? So that's the end of the video, guys. Just another quick Mopar update video while I'm on vacation and I can't do much with my car since I don't have it over here. And thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this news. Do you want to see the Dodge Viper get reborn, or should FCA focus their efforts on making new platforms for the Charger and Challengers instead? Or both? I personally grew up loving the Viper, and I would be so stoked to see it come back, even if I probably couldn't come close to affording one. Now I'll leave you with a few minutes of pictures, showing how the Viper evolved from 1989 all the way to today. Make sure to like and subscribe for all your Mopar content, and I'll see you next video.